India's cold water fisheries emerge as the key growth engine for the blue economy vision. For the India's blue economy vision, country's cold water fisheries is playing the important role for the strategic economic growth engine. From trout farming in Kashmir to scientific aquaculture in Ladakh and the northeast, this sector is creating the jobs, nutrition, supporting the biodiversity and attracting the investment. With the proper structuring, cold water fisheries are becoming the India's one of the most promising sustainable development success stories. India's cold water fisheries growth story. India's fisheries sector is witnessing the significant transformation as the cold water fisheries, which are once confined to the remote Himalayan streams, that are now emerging as a structured modern aquaculture ecosystem. The central government is prioritizing this sector as a key pillar of the blue economy. This holds importance as it connects the economic growth with sustainability. It supports livelihoods, food security, biodiversity conservation, tourism, and entrepreneurship in the difficult mountain regions, and this makes the important fisheries storage. What are cold water fisheries? Cold water fisheries refer to the fish farming and fishing activities in cooler aquatic ecosystem, which are found mainly in the high altitude region. This includes the snow-fed rivers, mountain streams, high altitude lakes, reservoirs. These ecosystems generally maintains the ideal conditions such as temperature 5 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, dissolved oxygen above 6 milligram per liter, pH range 6.5 to 8.0. This relatable environmental conditions support the specialized cold water fish species. Key fish species driving the sector. India's cold water aquaculture focuses mainly onto the commercially and ecologically important species. Rainbow trout. Rainbow trout has become the most commercially successful cold water fish species in India, and it has a high market value and it holds a strong consumer demand, which make it the backbone of this sector. Golden mahseer. Golden mahseer is not only the economically valuable but it also ecologically significant, as it is considered as India one of the iconic freshwater fish species. Snow trout. Snow trout remains the most important into the Himalayan ecosystem and local fishery, as India has identified more than around 278 cold water fish species, and it makes this sector critical for biodiversity conservation. Where cold water fisheries are expanding in India, the sector is growing across the India's mountainous and hill ecosystems. Major growth regions include the Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Nagaland. Expansion of the sector also happening in the hill districts of the West Bengal, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Together, these regions are covering more than 5.33 lakh square kilometers. This creates enormous potential for the aquaculture. Fish production number. India's overall fisheries sector continues to expand rapidly. Total fish production has reached to the approximately 197.75 lakh tons. Cold water fisheries currently contributes nearly 3% of the inland fish production. National cold water fish output stands at approximately around the 7,000 metric tons. Trout farming growth. Trout farming has shown the remarkable growth as its production has increased nearly to 1.8 times over the last decade. Current trout production is around the 6,000 metric tons. This indicates strong commercially